Hi students, how are you? I hope everyone is very happy. So successfully I completed last two sessions. Now this is third session, real numbers. In last second session, I hope I gave you some problems for you to practice. I think everyone will get it. So try to do more problems, and very important that session. Now I'm going to another session, third session. In this session is very easy and important. Rational numbers and their decimals. Rational numbers and decimals. So already we know this, how to do this rational number in decimals. For example, 3 by 5. So this is a rational number. How to convert in decimal? By using long division. 0.36. So 0.6. And one more example, 16 by 5. How to convert in decimal? 5, 16. 3 5s are 15. 1 should be remainder. Decimal form 10. 2 5s are 10. So 3.2. So like this we can take rational number to decimal and decimal to rational. For example, 0.375. This decimal. How to convert in rational? After decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So actually the number is 375 by. After decimal we have 3 digits. Now put the 3 zeros in denominator. It becomes 1000. 1000 can write 375 divided by 10 to the power of 3. Means 10 into 10 into 3. So 375. 10 can write 2 5s are 2 into 5 whole to the power of 3. Means finally the last step is 375 by 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3. Here we have one law of exponent, a to the power of a into b whole to the power of m. Mean two different bases having common power. Means a to the power of m into b to the power of m. I am using this laws of formula from laws of exponent. So 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3. I am taking another example, 0.0875. Here if you observe that this is decimal form converting into fraction form. How to convert it? After decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In denominator we will get 4 zeros. It becomes 10,000. So numerator is 875. So again 875. Denominator we can write 10 to the power of 4. How many zeros are there? 4. So 875 divided by 10 can write 25 whole to the power of 4. That is nothing but 875 by 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. Now if you observe this, example 1 and example 2, 0.375, 0.0875. So this type of examples are called terminated. Already we discussed terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. So terminated decimals. Okay. Now 0.104. Now what is this decimal form? Now I'm converting into rational number. How to convert rational? Again after decimal we have 3 digits. So 0001. So 104 by 1000. See, 104 by 10 cube is nothing but 104 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. So these are the examples. So why we are discussing about this decimal to fractions? Actually, for example, I want to give you one problem, then you can understand. So 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Is it terminating? Is it terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? How to find the terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal? So 17 by 8 is terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. So without doing direct multiplication, how can you say that the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating? So when you are when you want to say the terminating and non-terminating, we have to focusing on denominator. So any denominator, if we can write in the power of 2 power m or 5 power n, or 2 power m or 5 power n. So if denominator we can write in 3 ways. Suppose 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of m, or completely 2 to the power of m or 5 to the power of n. In these 3 cases, if we can convert the denominator, then definitely we can say that that is a terminating decimal without doing long division. Now take that example, 17 by 8 is terminating and non-terminating. Definitely we can write denominator. How to write denominator here? 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So denominator here I written as 2 to the power of m, so that directly without doing any actions, in any multiplications or any division, the number 17 by 8 is a terminating decimal. And one more example, 13 by 3125. The denominator 3125, is it terminating decimal or non-terminating? How to do that? First focus on denominator 3125. So I'm taking 1's place is 5, so that I'm taking 5 table. 31, 6 5s are 30, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 2 carries 25. 5 table, 5 10. So 13 by 5 repeated, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 to the power of 5. So it is also, then we can say that it is terminating. Now for example, I'm giving another example, 64, example 3. 64 divided by 455, is it terminating or non-terminating? So 455, so 5 table, 5 9s are 5 1s are, okay. Here is a 13 table, 13 7s are. So 64 by 5 into 13 into 7s are. But what is the condition if it is a terminating denominator, either 2 power m or 5 power n, or product of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of m. But here is we have 13 and 7, so that we can say that 64 by 455 is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. How we can say that? But because denominator we can't convert in the form of 2 power n, 5 power n, or both, product of two numbers. Okay, another one more example, last example, 16 by 15. 16 by 15. 16 by 15 can write 3 into 5. It is also non-terminating because denominator we can't convert in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. And sometimes they give you like directly 129 by 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 7 into 7 to the power of 5. Is it terminating or non-terminating? So actually condition 2 to the power of 5 or 5 to the power of m or 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. But here 2 power 5, 5 power 7 is there, but extra 7 power 5 also there. So that because of that this is a non-terminating decimal. So like this you have to take some examples and try to do is terminating or non-terminating. For example, 35 by 50, second one is 77 by 210, and third one is 29 by 343, and the fourth one is 15 by 1600, and the fifth one is 7 by 80. You try to do these problems terminating or non-terminating. So thank you. I want